vlog
About
of a cat that we found.
it's a foster cat.
It's a foster cat. We'll show you.
We'll show you.
Zoom in. Can you even zoom in?
Okay.
Let's see.
There we go. That's our foster cat.
Call it Dark Paw or something. What is
Dark
it?
Paw.
Dark Paw.
Get it? Dark Maul. Dark Paw.
You can see it moving because of the wind.
It's cold. It's cold today.
Shoelace?
No.
No.
No, a car's coming. A car's coming.
Whoa, we went all the way over there. Do you see it?
Where
In the
is he?
bench. It's in the bench. You don't see it?
Balcony.
Oh, he's right there.
Zoom in. Did you zoom in?
Yeah, I'm zooming in. It's right there.
It's right there.
So cold, I'm shivering right now.
know. Oh, you made to the maximum. Look
Just
at
get
it.
a bit closer.
I don't know what it's doing.
Move right here.
There's a paw. Come on, get down the stairs.
Get down the stairs.
Cat
Oh,
getting
it's-
down the stairs in
Oh, he's good
action.
at getting down those stairs.
Oh, so it's a cat human.
Cat human.
Hat. Or, hat. Hat or human.
There's actually no when cats get down stairs. Wait.
It's just playing with the string it sees right there.
Like just jump.
The cats do.
Okay, duck down to see it.
Do you see it? Do you guys see it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, what is it?
I don't think you saw it.
It's
I
cat
heard
in
it meow.
its natural habitat.
I don't know if you heard it meow.
Coming towards us. Oh, that's Mika.
Okay, there they are. There they are.
How do you make a 360 video?
Hey, look for something. Is it just perfect lighting?
Oh, he's scaring him. Woo, so cool. Hey, where did we first saw him? Right there.
We saw him right there
Right.
at that spot. That's where he came. I found them first, though.
Yeah.
Wait, no, I saw him first. No, I did because when I was right there, I saw him walking towards us.
Oh, it's laying down. It's laying down. Cat laying down in action.
We
These gloves are now on sale on my channel.
On this channel. And on his channel.
No, it's not.
I know.
my channel.
It's not on your channel. It's only on his channel.
They're gangster gloves.
Where'd he go?
Oh, he almost got run over.
Where is he?
But thank God for his cat reflexes, he didn't.
they have 9 lives, so
Down there.
Zoom in. See, guys, right there. See the ears? Yeah, you could see it. You could see
Yeah.
it. Smooth up. It's licking itself. Give it its privacy. Give it its privacy. Privacy time.
We're gonna go on top of the truck till we got anything.
Oh yeah, we got our own drinks right here.
we got some Mountain Dew.
We got some Coca-Cola, some Mountain Dew, one over there.
More Mountain Dew.
More Mountain Dew. Look, he's right there. Get it. Okay.
Take a picture. Oh, you can't.
Taking a video right now. I'm gonna take a picture. Thumbnail.
It's so cool. So it's our foster cat.
Yep.
What is it?
There it is.
Come on. Why'd you scare it, Grandpa?
Where'd it go?
I think under the couch.